Hey, what's up? I'm Isaac. I am a reseller and software developer. This is my website, QuickList. It is an AI listing tool. You upload your photos and then it generates the eBay listings. So this is what the landing page looks like. You can go and read this if you like, but I know a lot of people care about this, so I'm just going to show the pricing real quick. It ranges from 10 to 20 cents per listing based on which tier you have. And if you'd like to try it out for free, you can get 10 listings completely free, no credit card. You can go try it out. Let me know if you like it. If you are interested in a subscription, I'll put a discount code below where you can get 30% off your first month. But yeah, other than that, let's go into the dashboard here. So this is what it looks like once you create an account. This is where you create your listings. You can do them individually or you can do them in bulk. Most people will do them in bulk. It's more efficient. You can upload all of your photos in a batch and it'll do all of the listings simultaneously. But for the demo, I think it's a little better to do it individually just to show it off. So we do have templates here. I have one for clothing because I list a lot of clothing, but you can create these for whatever you like, and you can sort of preset the description. You can custom prompt the AI based on like what title structure you prefer. You can preset your shipping details, stuff like that. If you list a lot of the same items and you have like a format you like to follow for your listings, just save some time for you. But for this, we're just going to use the default QuickList AI. So here I have a lot of stuff that I've recently listed. For this demo, I'm just going to do this Tears for Fears cassette. So I'm going to upload all my images and then hit generate. Now it's going to use the first 4 photos by default, but if you want to use different ones, you can select up to 4, any 4. But usually the first 4 is good enough. If you're listing like clothing maybe, and you have like a picture of the tag at the end, it's useful because you want to get the tag in there. But then it comes up with a list of categories. You can see it got music cassettes. That's correct. Another thing you can do if you're using like a template, you could have a cassettes template where the cassettes category is pre-selected, and then you could skip that step. But yeah, it's using Google Lens as well as a couple different AI models. It's doing object and text recognition. It's researching similar eBay listings, and then it's doing everything it can to come up with the most optimal listing. So you see it's done here. Finished it in under 30 seconds. Title, Tears for Fears, Songs from the Big Chair, cassette tape, 1985, Mercury Polygram. That's really good. That's pretty much how I would list it. Description here, you can see it states what it is. It goes over some of the songs. I try to have it just kind of briefly describe the item, cut out a lot of the salesman-y fluff type of stuff. A lot of people don't like that. I don't like it either. But for the list and details here, we have category, cassettes, condition good. I try to have it also go a little conservative on condition. Then we have the artist, release title, format, genre, style, color. It fills out all the specifics as best as it can. If it doesn't know something, it will leave it blank, or it'll put NA or does not apply. But for the most part, it generates everything you need. This is more than I would say most eBay listings probably fill out. So it also does the pricing and shipping down here. You can see it did $14.99. We have this view slug comps button if you want to look at comparable listings to compare. So we got 11, 18, 7, 16, 15, 15, 13. So actually I think 15 is not that bad. Sometimes it's a little high on pricing, so I would recommend reviewing that. The pricing is hard to estimate because eBay doesn't allow us to use their sold data. So the pricing can be a little high sometimes, so I would review that. But that's pretty good, 15. Shipping policy, this is where you have your own shipping policies. So I do $5.99 for all my media. So now it all looks good. So we go ahead and save the listing. So pretty much all I had to do was check the pricing and do my shipping. Then once the listing's saved, they go over here to your manage listings area. You can edit them after the fact if you need to, but once you're ready to export them to eBay, you just select them and then hit export. It just takes a couple seconds and it goes straight to your eBay account, just like that. So that's how it works. If you want to try it out, remember you can get 10 listings completely free. Go try it out, and if you're interested, I will have a discount code for 30% off your first month. If you have any questions, anything, you can comment below, or you can email me or join the Discord and chat in there. But yeah, go try it out. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.